it's gone. Blueprints in the yard, halos where the engines were just steam. Then it's gone. Frost on the trunk, heart in the glove compartment. We live like this, half packed, half present. Frost on the trunk, brief poems on the metal and mud. We fade like that, a question written in our own blood. We fade like that. Your laugh in the rear view, tiny ghost in a tilted frame. We break on small words, loose change in the cup, silver moons in a plastic sea. We pay with old years.